you can now download the Fortnite mobile app for European users. If you're not from Europe, I think you can use a VPN or something or change your region. But it is out for iPad and for iOS devices. I'm so excited, and I just managed to fix. So there's a few things you need, so just bear with me. I had to do some research to do it. So the first thing you want to do is use the link in the description down below that I'll provide to the Epic Store. It kind of looks like this. And when I first went on the actual link, it didn't let me install the App Store, right? It says you should click go to site, and it told me to update my software, that I need 7.6 or higher. So I just did that. So you go to settings, you go to general, you go to software update, and I just updated to 17.6.1. It only took like, oh, it took 10 minutes. So I just did something else. I had some other work because I'm a day trader. So while doing that, what you can do, the next thing you can do after you do the update is you go back here, click on install on iOS, click install, and then it will not let you install it. It will say that you need to approve it. So you need to allow apps from Epic Games. You want to go settings, and right here, just below your name, where it says Dr. Niki here, is where you can allow the app. So that's pretty much it. When you do that, you can actually go back to the previous step, click install, and you'll be able to install the Epic Games app, just like I did. So then you just want to click accept, and here it is. It's that simple. It's that simple. Look at this. You also have Fall Guys and other stuff. But this is insane. I'll be trying it out. I'm installing it as we speak. Look at this. Install games. Click on install app. Here it is, Face ID, and it's installing. Here it is. That's very cool. So that's all you need to do. It's not that hard to get Fortnite now. After all the updates, I've had to check a few guys to actually do it, but it's working right now. So I have it here for you. Like the video if you appreciate it, subscribe if you're new, and also comment down below if you have any issues whatsoever. Love you with all my heart. See you next one. Bye.